Hey, welcome to Gear Jammer Garage. Today I'm going to be replacing the front brake pads on this Harley Davidson Road King here. But the process is the same for any touring model. So Street Glide, Road Glide, the Ultras, it's all the same. I just finished doing the oil change because I'm bringing the bike out of storage for this riding season. If you don't know how to do that, or if you're going to do the 3 oil changes, the primary, the transfer case, if you're going to do the 3 oil changes, the engine, transmission, and primary, I'll put the link for that video in the description here. So let's get started. So first thing I'm going to do, I'll pull this cover off. Just take it out with the flat screwdriver, put this to the side. This is a 10. I'm gonna put some pressure on the caliper to kind of push the brake pads in, and then it just slides out. We're going to remove this pin here. Just like clip. The new brake pads come with it. And then this screw here, the new pads come with it as well. Now before I take these out, I'm gonna put my screwdriver in here and try to push the pistons back in to make room for the new ones. All right, and then this back goes over here. Goes up here. So the new parts that I'm going to be using is 41854-08. That's the part number that I got at Harley. Inside the box, Brembo. So this one is this one here. Here's the new hardware. This side. So that's all that came in the kit. So there's a spring in there. I don't know if you can see it, like an anti-rattle spring or clip. I'm just gonna reuse it because the new brake pads didn't come with it. So, and you can see the pistons are pushed into the caliper. So that's it. We're just going to put these back in the way they came out. This is the orientation. that I took them out in. So this one's gonna go on this side. This is gonna go over here. Then I'll open this bag up. This is the part number for it. It came in the box, but just so you can see that. Then we're going to pass this through here. Screw it back in. Snug it up. Then you can see in there's like a groove on that bolt. That's where this clip goes. And then just gently spread the pads. Well, this brake pad kind of got stuck, but with the screwdriver you can lift this little clip up and then scoot it over, and then just with the screwdriver gently scoot them side to side. And this is where the rotor rides. So with these new pads, since they have more material, they really got to be scoot as far as they can go. There we go. Then we're gonna snug them up. All right. Then we'll do the same thing to the other side, and then at the end we'll get the torque wrench and we'll torque everything to spec, and then we'll just put the little cover back on and we're done. Something I want to point out, this side has the ABS, so if your bike has the ABS, the sensor's on this side, so just be aware of that. Now you got to put it back the way it came off, this little plate here. So I'm putting this back together already. Same thing on both sides, just this side. You want to watch this plate here for the ABS. Make sure that it goes back in the same way you took it off. Also, while you have the caliper off, don't hit the brakes for any reason, because the piston can pop out of the slot that it's in, and it's a little difficult to put back. Torque this to 35 foot-pounds. There we go. All right, and then the other little one, the pin, this one here, goes to 95 inch-pounds. So we'll do that to both sides, and we're done. Put your cover back on. And that's it. All right, once you got everything torqued down, before you ride it, you want to push your brakes down, push the lever down to get the there we go. You see how many times it took me? Now there's some pressure on there. You see how many times how many pumps it took for the pressure to come in. So don't go riding it right away. Even before you ride it, put it in neutral, roll it, and make sure it stops. Other than that, that's it. Thanks for watching, guys. See you guys next time. Oh, by the way, you saw this is all the tools I used. Big screwdriver, a little bigger screwdriver than this would help. I couldn't find my big one, so I just used my panel separator tool to push the pads apart. Same one that I've been using when I'm working on the truck, if you go see those videos. 3/8 drive, inch-pound torque wrench with the Allen bit, and the 3/8 torque wrench with the oh, this one's a 10 and the other one was a 5. So that's it. Pretty simple tools, not that big of a deal. Don't mess around with your brakes. Check them every time you do an oil change. The back ones I'm not gonna do right now because there's still a lot of material left, but that's it. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you guys next time.